What is human intelligence? In this video, we will try to understand that. Human intelligence or HUMINT refers to intelligence gathered by means of interpersonal contact. For example, one can interrogate or have a conversation with persons with access to critical information and gather intelligence. Human intelligence can also be gathered by tricking people with subtle scams. And after collecting information, one can use the collected information for perpetrating other social engineering attacks. What are social engineering attacks and how do attackers use various techniques to perpetrate a social engineering attack? We have already discussed that in detail on the website of the security body. Interested viewers may find the relevant links in the description. Data gathered by human intelligence may include various sensitive information such as people's schedules, personal observation, etc. For example, one can observe people going in and out of an office building, and based on that observation, one can plan to enter the office building in an unauthorized manner. For example, let's say many people enter or exit the building at a particular time of the day. So, an attacker dresses in a delivery uniform and tries to enter the office building at that time. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the security body or refer to the playlist Information Security. The security body also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.